Hello, Stevie and Ashley at ScrapsGluedOverPaper. So I've been doing little shorts, and they're before this one, before this video. So I have cut all the fabric and everything, and I've placed it where I think it should go. It should go here and here, and I'm going to put the extra from this to make the tie to hold it together. So let me get my chair a little bit closer. There. Okay. So what I'm thinking is I need to glue this to the spine first. So I'm going to get Fabrifix, and I'm going to I'm going to use a lot of the Fabrifix right here on the spine first to get it down and make it really stable. Now, since this always likes to come out, I'm going to put the lid back on it, and then I'm going to use this as my spreader. I'm going to spread it. Oh. Well, okay. Then I'm going to take this. I'm going to put it here and there. Now the book turned out to be 9.5 instead of 9, and I had already cut this to 9, but it stretches pretty good. Let's see. Make it. I was going to put it on the front cover, but I decided it would look way better right here on the spine. Okay. Oh, okay, so that one, that little piece goes down first, and then I'll have to glue this part down next. I wonder why that looks like that. Okay, so I get, can you see? I didn't look to make sure. Okay, good, you can. All right, I'm gonna go glue down the side here. Go We're going to do more. Get that on it so I don't waste any. Now, get this and move it around a little. Not too much though. And pat it down. Oh, did it get glue on the outside? Put that there. Now, I think that's glue. I'm going it doesn't really want to come off, so I'll figure it out later. Okay, so now the other thing with, well, I guess I can put these down. Let's put those sides down. Wait, I'll do this. Do I want that underneath it? Or on top? On top. Okay, so it needs to be glued down. Well, that's kind of, let's do it this way. There. Move the edges real good. Oh, this kind of hurting my hand. Just a little. Okay, now, I didn't try and rub that down. Try and get this squared away here. Yeah, that's pretty good. I think that's good. All right, now on this side. And I'm going to put the bone folder here so I can use both my hands because it is down pretty low. And I don't know if the weather's making it not want to come out or what. Okay, and I do it on the edge. Okay. Oh, that's how I got the glue on it. Okay. Ouch. Probably gonna edge around it with something to make it look good. Depends on how it turns out. I've never done anything like quite this elaborate. I would call it elaborate. Okay, so now I measured them and oh, I got them upside down again. Let's see. All right, now if they go, oh, that's not right, because this already has the inside done. I did that and wrapped it the other way instead of having to figure out how to do this part over the edge and see how I got it glued on there outside. So just call me backwards. All right, so this needs to look like that. All right, and that means that this is like that. All right, now go from the top here, and the bottom is at 6. I'm doing this right. Okay, now the ruler top and it goes here. Oh, oh no. Something's upside down. Oh no. Oh, it's supposed to be upside down. Okay, but it's still, it's supposed to be like this. Okay. All right. I'm just gonna do it. See how it turns out. If it doesn't, then we'll figure something else out, right? Okay. So that. Where is the? I'll put it kind of like this. Then. Yeah, I guess the humidity is causing the fabrics to be a little weird. The sun's shining right now, but it was very cloudy. And we have like 10 days of possible rain. Okay. Hopefully I did that. Well, I guess I can figure it out right now. Did I do it right? Because this is, it's right. Okay. So it can be small or as the journal grows, it can be as big as you want it. And it still hold it together. Cool. Okay. So I keep everything from mucking it up. All right. Now we've got okay, so this goes like that. This goes like that. Now, do I need to trim anything first? I don't. I'm a little worried about trimming things, but all right. So here goes. Do I want to trim it? I'm thinking, I don't like that glue stuck on there. I have to cover it up with something. But that's how it's supposed to look. Ooh, you can't see that. There. And then I'll put something down the center. Okay, let's go ahead and finish this up. And I think if I left no glue here, oh, you know what? I think I'm gonna wait and see if I want to have a little tuck in here or whatever. So that's gonna be it for this video, and I'll see you in the next video with more done journal, dark journal, Victorian dark, academia dark. Don't know yet, but thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, share, and like, and all my links and everything are in the description below. Bye!